Jatend migao mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen oseyo josiasa mag duond bura mar DCP kuom tulo manyoro e kinde manyoromne jalup jatend piny machon Rigathi Gachagua. Maeri en kaluwore gi tend duond burano ni norem chiwo ote ne obila ewi kaka ne gichano tayo nyasi mar rwako Gachagua pacho tok limbe mare e piny Amerika. Koloso e kaunti ma Kirinyaga, Gachagua nowacho ni nitie jonjore manyo obwogo ngima jodak e alwora mar lap ndeke ma JKIA kendo jonjorego nohinyo jofwambo bende.
But from there, yes, you see, you are saying for places where you want people who are not even associated with these kinds of politics. Points to this situation we witnessed yesterday points to what I said earlier, that misuse of young people or sometimes hiring goons to just come and cause terror is an issue of great concern to us in the security sector. And so, as I said, investigations must be done to find out who exactly organized them and for what purpose. Again, sometimes because of we don't understand the magnitude of or we are not informed about the plans of the political actors, sometimes the police are just on standby to see whether there is any problem. Like yesterday, police were generally on standby because there was no clear notification to them about what event was going to happen and what routes. I was, for example, very saddened that political activists were going to play games at our airport. I mean, you could see people want to invade inside the airport, and that is a very serious issue. The airport is a protected area. It's not a place to play the kind of politics that we saw. And you saw, people entering inside the airport just with a lot of razzmatazz for absolutely nothing.